Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like you're treading water, just trying not to sink. But budgeting isn't only for people with extra money, it's especially for those who don't. In this video, I'm walking you through a real, doable plan to budget when money's tight. Grab a notebook, we're going step by step. Let's go. Step 1, know your numbers. You can't budget what you don't understand. So look at your income, exactly what comes in, and then your expenses, every bill, every subscription, every coffee. Don't guess. Check your bank statements from the last 2 months, write everything down. This might feel uncomfortable, but it's the foundation of your budget. Once you've listed all your expenses, it's time to prioritize. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. These are your non-negotiables. Everything else can wait. Survival expenses come first. Next, try a zero-based budget. That means every dollar gets a job. You give every dollar a purpose until what's coming in minus what's going out equals zero. Even if it's only a few bucks left over, assign it. $10 towards savings is better than zero. Now, time to cut. Subscriptions, takeout, random shopping. These silent killers eat your money. Cancel what you can, pause what you don't need. You're not being cheap, you're being smart. Before you attack your debt, build a small emergency fund. $300 to $500 just to catch you if something breaks. It protects your progress. It's your financial shock absorber. Want better control? Use cash envelopes. Take out cash, put it in envelopes labeled groceries, gas, fun. When it's gone, it's gone. It builds awareness and it sets limits you can actually feel. Sometimes it's not a spending problem, it's an income problem. Try a small side gig, deliver food, walk dogs, sell stuff online. An extra $50 a week can change your budget. Budgeting paycheck to paycheck isn't easy, but it is possible. Take it one step at a time, $1 at a time. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite budgeting tip in the comments. You've got this.